the moment we all been waiting for. We've got the transmission cooler here, right in here. I like where it's at. As a matter of fact, I'll show you. Let me get underneath here and show you. See it? It's right in there. And then we've got, of course, the fans here. Let's see here. Man, I'm sorry if it's just blurry. My phone's jacked up. Big shout out to the owner, man. Been here for being so patient with me, man. So patient. I had so much going on during the middle of this. We'll get into it one day. But right now we're not going to. And he's just being so patient. I'm like the way it all laid out, how it turned out. We've got the 6.0 50K mount, 50K 1,000 miles with less than 50K on the 4L80E. Ran into some issues with the drive shaft yoke. That's taken care of. We got the offset bracket like always. Power steering pump pulley or lines. Got to get a new battery and some tires. We're gonna get some tires. This one here won't hold no air. But my goal tomorrow is to drive it down the road. So y'all, we're gonna have the video of that. So next day too, y'all gonna see a video of me driving the Monte Carlo down the road. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Stay watching. It's 50K Monte Carlo SS 6.0 lsswap. Man, making it happen, baby. One day at a time. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. All right. Stay tuned for the first drive. 50K Monte Carlo SS 6.0 lsswap 4L80E. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is coming very, very, very soon. Hit that subscribe. We're going to do the first drive. We've already had the first startup. Got the first drive coming. As you can see, 6.0 in it. Summit intake, sheet metal, breather, offset alternator bracket, ceramic, ceramic spark plug wire protectors for the headers and the boots. Stay tuned. 50K. First drive.